Hey taters, today we're going to be doing an apartment tour. We start our last week of school tomorrow on Monday, today's Sunday, and so we have to move out in a week basically. So I wanted to film this video before we take all of our decorations and everything down to pack up to go back home for the summer. I'm in my second year of college, so this is like my sophomore year tour, I guess. Our apartment is on campus of the university that we go to, and it's 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and it's probably the nicest apartment on campus, so we got lucky with that. So yeah, let's get into it. Caroline's doing the United States map right now, so let's see how it's going.
What happened real quick?
Not NB, and second of all, that's just not Nebraska. And also, I see one other one that's for sure wrong.
This one?
What state
Louisiana.
That's also wrong.
You don't know Iowa? That's where I'm from.
I got Idaho right here.
Caroline's now getting into the Northeast, so let's see how she's doing.
Pennsylvania's here?
Yeah.
Okay, PA. Here. Now, this one's throwing me for a loop.
I was just there.
You were just there? Oh, that's New York? I didn't know it was that high. What's up, guys?
Oh. Oh yeah, MTV, welcome to my crib. Let's go. Oh wait, is it my crib or your crib?
Well, why would you be locked
Okay,
out
fine.
if it is your crib?
You do it, okay.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Let's go. Okay, so right when you walk in, we have Wendy Williams right here. Wendy Williams is like a super...
She's from Walmart.
She's a tree. She's a tree from Walmart, basically.
She cost me a lot of money last year.
Yeah, Blake bought her and named her Wendy Williams because in this house we stand Wendy Williams. The dogs. Wait, I'm trying to think of a Wendy quote right now, but I can't. Oh, she passed away? Oh. Okay, following along. We used to have a dog and another roommate.
But we killed them both.
But yeah, they only passed away. So that was just like a placemat for our feet to like be wiped. Just like that. That was so cringy. Following in the entryway, we have our garbage can. Oh, that's really full. We throw our garbage away in there. Follow along over here, we have the kitchen.
Okay.
Starting off, we have these awesome wooden countertops. These look like they're from a classroom, so, I mean, it's a look. Have you ever had chicken and the biscuits? I'm asking you, Caroline.
Yeah. I thought it was for the vlog.
Have you had them before?
Yes.
This is the lady behind the camera. Say hi.
I make it all happen. Hi, my name's Caroline. Go to school with Tate. He's from Idaho. I'm from North Carolina. And this is Blake.
Now we have our air fryer, Keurig, microwave. This fridge is actually quite small. It's really unfortunate. Most of the stuff in here is mine. I have pizzas. These are both my ice creams. Fun fact, our roommate Jack brought these sausages from move-in, and they're still here. He brought them from Minnesota, and we still have them. And then this is the fridge. Oh my god, Taylor Swift. So this is Taylor Swift. Me and Blake are in evolutionary bio, and for one of our activities we had to do an egg race, and we had to decorate our eggs, and me and Blake are both Swifties, so we're like, let's make Taylor Swift, but she's an egg, so it's Taylor Swift. Yeah. Over here, we have our wall of quotes, I guess you could say. This is just chalkboard, sticker paper, and yeah, just kind of like moments that have happened throughout the year we've quoted and stuff, and yeah, it's really funny and fun memories. And then over here is the dining room. Not the dining room, this is just the dining table. I bought this cloth from Walmart, and then the table and everything and the chairs came with. Typically we eat our meals on the couch, or like it's not right here, so. The decoration from the dining room is Jack when he was a gymnast. That's about all I have to say about that. And then our Dyson. So now let's go over here to our living room. We don't have a TV because we actually have a projector. Yeah. So, this is our couches. These both came with our apartment, so I don't know where they're from. And then Blake brought this big ottoman from home because he just had it, and we just have blankets in it. And then up here is our projector. It's pretty awesome when we watch like a movie or something because it's just like a big screen on the wall for the projector, so that's really fun. Yeah, just a lot of cringy quotes for our walls. We have, "Days spent with you, all the best days ever." Over here, we have Husker.
Oh my gosh, I spilled my water.
We have Husker fans live here because GBR, but only for volleyball basically. Blake had these little pictures from his house, so he just brought them so we could have like wall decor. We wouldn't have to spend money on stuff. This is also from Blake's house, and this thing is like glass and it's thick, so we screwed screws into the wall so we can hang it up. And then
Sorry,
we have our thermostat, which actually doesn't work at all. It works like if we turn it on, because then the air will blow, but we have no control over our like heating and cooling system, so it only blows cold air, which is like nice because it's getting warm out and it's like summertime now, so we just need the air conditioning. But back when it was winter, we had these space heaters down here. We have 3 of them, and so we have to use those to like heat our apartment during the winter when it was cold. Follow me this way to our like bedroom and bathroom area. So there's this big like common space that we have. I'll show you the bathroom first. It's very, very, very small. So we have our toilet right here, and if you come in here, we have to close our door because it's super small. We have our shower, and it does the job. It's nothing fancy, but it works. I'm leaving the bathroom. We have my sink. There's Caroline, and Blake brought these prints from his bedroom back home because there's Blake and there's me playing volleyball, and then our team huddle from club. Okay, so over here is my bedroom. If you watched my room tour from last year, I have like almost all the same decoration as for my dorm last year. Some things are different, I guess. So I have my bedding from, I think I got it at TJ Maxx, but it's like Tommy Hilfiger, I think. And then, oh, we made these like really cute teddy bears at one of the events during school this year. So that's like kind of fun. And then I ordered these wall prints of like national parks just off of Amazon. It was really cheap just to cover up this wall because I didn't know what to do with that wall. Then over here I have my dresser. I have socks and underwear, and then shorts, and in the bottom drawer is just like sweatpants and like anything else, I don't know. So over here we have my film cameras and then my Polaroid camera. These 3 film cameras I actually got from my grandpa. We were cleaning out his house and we found them and they all ended up working, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna take these if you don't mind, and he let me have them. And then this is my sister's Polaroid, and then we have my TV, which I got from my sisters from home, and seashells from the beach because we live like pretty close to the beach, so we go to the beach frequently, and then my Xbox and whatnot. And then we have my Lord Huron vinyl of the album Lonesome Dreams, which is one of my favorite albums of theirs. But my record player I got over Christmas, so I couldn't bring it back to college because I flew back here, so it's not here. So I haven't been able to listen to this vinyl yet, but I've been using it for decoration until I take it home. And then over here we have my closet. Not much. I have sweatshirts and beach towels, and then zip-up hoodies, and I have my dress pants in there because I don't have enough hangers. And then volleyball jerseys, fleece, sweatshirt things, I don't know, a vest. And then just like t-shirts and nicer t-shirts, and laundry basket, shoes, drawing rack, and tennis rackets. So yeah, nothing really too awesome, but it's a nice size closet for what we're working with and holds all my stuff, which is great. And then these are always falling off the wall because it's like getting humid, and I don't want to put more tape on them since I'm taking them down in like 3 days, and I just don't want to waste the tape. But these are from my dorm room last year. I had them up above my desk, but I decided to get a mirror this year and then put them around my mirror because I didn't know what else to do with it, and I thought that'd be kind of fun. So this is what I ended up with. And then over here is my desk area. I have the ABBA gold vinyl, which if you know me, you know I love ABBA a lot. I don't have any Taylor Swift vinyls yet, but that's like my next goal is to get like all the Taylor Swift vinyls. And then I have this ukulele that I got also from my grandpa's house, and we cleaned it out. I don't know how to play it, but it's just like fun decoration. And then I thrifted this poster of Italy from Goodwill, and I had this last year in my dorm as well. And it's kind of funny because I kind of manifested my trip to Italy that I went on last summer because I don't know, I've always just dreamed of going to Italy, and then I got this poster and dreamed of it all last year, and I ended up going to Italy last summer, so it was pretty cool. That's really cringe, so I'm probably not going to put that in. And then I just have my lamp and computer and iPad and water bottles and then books and my plant. This is the only real plant I have, but it has grown so much, so that's pretty fun. And then my dad made this little pumpkin for Halloween, and I've always had it out. I don't take it down, even though Halloween ended a long time ago. And then in here we have my drawers. Basically nothing. They're pretty organized, but it's just candles, tape, all my markers and stickers, and like my film from my film camera. And then in here we have like tools and medicine and like my journal. And then over here I have my yoga mat right here, and then my school backpack and this pickle tote. That's pretty much my entire room. I love what I've done with this space. It makes it homey, and I think it looks really nice, and I spend a lot of time in here, so you have to make it feel homey. Now we're gonna go look at Blake's room, so I'm gonna let Blake take over for his section of the vlog. Okay, I'm behind the camera now, but Blake doesn't want to explain his room, so we're gonna have Caroline do it. So let's get to it.
Come on!
This is gonna be the funny part of the vlog.
So walking right in, we have the room. So I decided to break it down into like individual sections. So what side would you like me to start with, Tate?
We can just start right here.
Okay, so you come, there's this plant, real plant. He waters every day. He's got a very big green thumb. He has his hat hanging on the wall. Looks like some sweat damage happened there. And then he has all of these states. You know, Mississippi and Tennessee and all these cool things just to remind him of all the states he's been to because he travels a lot. Then he has a light and a hydro flask. And then this is just some storage under here. And this is his bed. He has stress balls because he gets stressed out. These states get a little extra attention because they're up here. And he has a Polaroid and some shades and a big squishmallow. What's his name?
Bronk.
Brock?
Bronk.
This is Bronk. Okay? And then he keeps his shoes under his bed, along with his Adidas book bag on the side, old volleyball bag. So moving right along here, he has this really cool machine that tells you the time and the temperature and the humidity levels, all that cool stuff. Apple headphones. You know he's rich. MacBook. Humidifier.
Air purifier.
Air purifier. And then he has this thing that makes a really good noise.
A fountain.
A fountain. And then more plants because of his green thumb. And likes to help the plants. So, moving right along, this is the best part of the room, of course. We have all of these amazing plants. Is this one even real?
No.
This one's fake because he's a phony. So yeah, we just have all these great plants. I mean, I don't really know anything about plants. We also have this little let it snow. And yep, so let's look in the closet.
Don't open that.
I figured he would react like that. So, here we have all these rocks. Yep, an Xbox because he likes to game a little bit.
Me and Blake play Fortnite all the time. Yeah, that's pretty much all.
A reindeer, some command hooks on the wall. This little thing, a ring. He's got drawers in here, but we're gonna respect his privacy and not open those. Another thing I just noticed down here though, he has all of his stuff for gaming, like a Nintendo, and some controls, and some Wii covers. So, if you ever need to rob him, you know where to find it. Okay, that's about all. Oh, and this is his sink. He has an electric toothbrush, because he's fancy. Let's see. I'm just kidding. Okay. Cut!
Thanks, Caroline, for taking over that portion of this vlog. Now
You're
we're going to go
welcome.
to the other side of our apartment. Over here we have, it's the same thing. We have our old roommate's room, which is just empty. I guess we can go check it out. It's not supposed to be open, but my sister stays in here when we visit. It's really echoey in here, holy cow. This is what the rooms look like when we moved in, and I guess you can see what we've done with our rooms. So right here behind these curtains, leave a comment what you think is behind these curtains before we open them, because it's a surprise.
Hey, like and subscribe and leave a comment
like
down
and
below for
subscribe.
what you think is behind that curtain. Drop it down now. Come on, pause the video, everyone. Go drop a comment. Okay.
Are we ready? 3. Count with me. 3, 2, wait.
1.
Count with me starting now.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
So basically, if you guessed correctly,
Then you
get the pride of winning.
Tate will Venmo you personally $5. Venmo request him at Tate-Sandbig.
So we have our washer, which works pretty well, and our dryer, which has messed up some of my clothes. That's why I air dry my clothes. And also, our friend Caroline behind the camera. She comes over here and uses our washer and dryer every Monday. Every Monday is
Yeah, look, here's my laundry stuff.
making herself at home. She might as well just move in with us, I guess. Oh, and behind here we have just lawn chairs that our old roommate left us. We use them when we go to the beach. Okay, so the volleyball back here has not been moved since we put it there because our dryer is kind of psychotic and it'd be shaking like this when we have the dryer going. So the volleyball stick would like not make so much noise and not like make it shake so much because she's a crazy girl.
Crazy.
And if you come over here and you start flipping things on and off, things turn off. That's fun.
Yeah.
Oh. See? That's fun.
Alright, let's go over here now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. This is probably the last video with Caroline because I will not be with her next year. And she's staying right here in good old Mount Olive, but I am not.
Don't tell them where I live.
She's actually from Roxborough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye taters!
Bye.
Wait, let's do that again.
Okay.
Wait, let's do
What
this
are
like
we
in
doing?
sync. So I'll be like, thank you
Oh,
so
Jesus.
much for watching. Okay?
Okay.
Thank
You
so
much
for
watching.
leave,
A
like,
and
comment
down
below.
for
this
video.
Bye.
Taters.
Love.
You. Well, that was something.